Sorors Hey, how are y'all doing? I'm here to review the October Delta box. Yes, it's November. I don't know what happened with the deliveries for this month's box. Not this month's, for last month's box. But nevertheless, here we are. So if you want to see my thoughts and opinions on the October Delta box, then stay tuned. And I'll see y'all in a few minutes. Bye. Oh, and I'm out. Hey, Sorors Hey, how are y'all doing? I know it's been a minute since we've seen each other, because we was waiting on this darn box to come. Here it is November, and we just now getting the October box. So y'all say it with me. Dear Delta box, what is you doing? Now y'all don't waste no time hitting our bank accounts on the 1st to get that coin. But y'all took y'all sweet time getting us this October box, and I don't understand why. But do better. Okay. Hey, Sorors Hey, I'm Soror Joy. For those that are new here, welcome to my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. And this is my review for the October Delta box, even though it's November. Let me give my disclaimer. I am not a Delta box ambassador. I am a consumer of the Delta box. Therefore, my reviews are going to be unbiased, uncut, raw, and real. Is everyone going to agree with what I have to say about the Delta box? No. So if you don't like what I'm saying, keep scrolling. Or just go to another video on my channel. Alright, okay. Alright, let's get into it, Sorors. The theme for this month is I am the bag. The contents of the box are a Delta Sigma Theta lunch bag, a Delta Sigma Theta bento box, and Delta Sigma Theta silicone snack bags. It says bag, but there's two, so it's bags. Alright, so as usual, there's a return card in the box. If this was some clothing and you got the wrong size, you'll fill this out, send it back with the box, and they'll send you. You have to pay for return shipping on the box, but they'll send you your items that you need to have resized. But this month is all about lunchtime. Now, a lot of Sorors was on Facebook whining and complaining, I work from home. Soror. Okay, you work from home. You can still use this lunchbox. You going on field trips with the kids at school, you gonna have to bring a lunch. Hey, there you go. You got your little Delta lunch bag. You know ain't nobody gonna mess with your stuff. Okay. For all us that go to work every day, I know some of y'all got them ghetto coworkers that like to go in the break room and eat people's lunch. Damn to eat out of there. Walk by somebody's cubicle and see them eating your lunch and throat chop them. I'm lucky I don't have them kind of people at my job. But I know some of y'all do have them coworkers, refrigerator bandits that like to eat people's lunch. Damn to do it with this lunch kit. So the first thing we're going to look at, Sorors, okay, are the silicone baggies. And this is the small one. And again, it is red. It does open up and it seals. It has the shield on the front in white. And these are, I believe they're dishwasher safe, microwave safe. But you can put a variety of things in here, not just snacks. This would be great for chapter meeting. You know, you put all your little pens and pencils, your post-it notes, your flags, your mints, your gum, You put it in there and then clip it in your little notebook and you have it in your little notebook. Or again, you can use it for snacks. I've seen Sorors use it for snacks. I'm one of these people, I'm gonna use it like when I travel. Put toiletries in here, makeup brushes, and again, they're reusable, so you can wash them and all that good stuff, and you can use them for a variety of things. So I ain't mad at them with the little silicone baggies. Now this is the small one. Of course, there is a larger one. This is the larger one, and again, it has the crest in white, red and white on the front, and they do seal close. So yeah, these will come in handy. Alright, so let's get into the next item in the box, which is the bento box. Now the bento box has the shield on the front in red and white. It comes with 3 utensils, a spoon, a knife, and a fork. It has 3 compartments, and I'm going to show you each compartment. So you open it up that way. The first compartment on the bottom, you can store individually wrapped snacks, or for you Sorors that's sitting at home, working from home, just dump your little snacks in there and you have them next to you while you're working, right? So, there's a use for you with this box too. So that's the first compartment. The second compartment is more defined. So it has a round snack holder and then like a rectangle shape, rounded edge rectangle shape snack holder. So you could put like a little microwavable soup or rice, or those little microwavable things in there. And also on this side put like your little snacks or whatever. You can put a little sandwich over there. So it's very useful. It's very convenient. And again, this is the middle compartment. And then of course your top compartment has your utensils. And it does come open, it flips open. And then there's like a little holder for your utensils. So again, you have a fork, a knife, and a spoon. And again, it's like little grooves in here. So there's little grooves in there. Sorry. So there's little grooves in there to hold your utensils. And then the lid closes. So I really like this box. It's really cute. And then of course there's also a little vent tab over here, so when you're microwaving you can just take that out. Alright, so I really like this month's box. It's practical, it's useful. The only thing I don't like is the fact that we are twinning with AKs. I just went to the Ivory Box money. I know it because the Ivory Box looked on there and we all knew what we were gonna get. Why we gotta be twinning with them? And guess what? They ain't happy either. They don't like twinning with us either. So let's at least make it different months. Like they get it in January and we'll get it in February or something like that. Switch it up. But yeah, we don't even try to guess what we get anymore. We just go and look at the Ivory Box and we know what we're getting. So yeah. But this is the bento box. And last but not least is the lunch box. So the lunch box is made out of that neoprene type material. So like you could get wet, but it'll just wipe right off. So it has the crest on the front in like this PVC material in red and white. The draw pulls have the crest on it. It comes with this adjustable strap. I like this strap. I might use this strap with one of my little stadium bags. My clear stadium bags. I like it. The bag has a mesh pocket on the back. And then on the inside, it also has another mesh pocket, but it has a zipper. So it's pretty wide. You can put your napkins and things like that in there, other snacks or whatever. It's very deep. Very deep. The bento box does fit in here. I'll show you that. So the bento box does fit in there, and then there's room for like a drink or something. If you want to put like a soda or tea or something like that in there, it'll fit in there as well. And again, you don't have to just mainly use this as a lunch box either. This is a cute little bag. If you're going on like a little overnight trip, you definitely could use this as a makeup bag. You can put your toiletries in here and things of that nature. So there's a wide variety of ways that you could use this tote besides as a lunch tote. For all you work at home Sorors. I like it. I think the October box, I was gonna say this month's box, but it's not even this month's box. The October box, very practical, very useful items. So, dear Delta box, I'm gonna give you some kudos there. But the delivery this month was horrible. I've seen some Sorors say, it was hit and miss with the delivery. It said it got delivered and it wasn't delivered. So, y'all need to respond to those Sorors accordingly and credit them back for the box or find out where it went. Sorors, I encourage y'all to sign up for that service with UPS and the post office where they can. So with UPS, it's kind of like with when you do Uber Eats and DoorDash, when they take a picture of them dropping off your package at your house. UPS has that too, because I had that service. So when I get a package, it tells me that it's delivered and it'll show me a picture of it on my porch. So I highly recommend y'all sign up for that, because I saw a couple of Sorors saying that UPS would not let them file a claim for their box for whatever reason, and that's wrong. And again, the post office does too. The post office has informed mail delivery service. It is free. It'll send you an email showing you all the mail that you're getting for a particular day and your packages that you're getting that day. With the packages, it'll even show you packages that are coming later on in the week. And then so you can look at it through your phone or on the web. So, Charles, if you're having a problem with delivery, I don't know, all these delivery services are acting crazy here, because some of my other subscription services that I have, the delivery has been pretty bad. And with the holidays coming up, I'm sure it's just going to get worse. But anyway, Sorors, I hope y'all like this review. I'll see y'all here, I guess, in a couple of weeks for the November box, if we get it in November, but it's probably not going to show up till December. So what do y'all think we're going to get in November? And what do y'all think we're going to get for December? December, I'm hoping for, I don't know, some little cute pajamas. Man, they gave us that monstrosity of a onesie last year. I mean, it's warm. Don't get me wrong now. It do keep it warm. But, how about a little nice, cute nightie or something like that? Or, I don't know. What do y'all think we should get for December? I don't know, Sorors. What y'all think? Let me know in the comments below. So if you like this video, Sorors, please support my channel, Joyful and Triumphant. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell to subscribe. Leave me a comment. share. Trying to build up my audience. I was hoping to have the November box by my birthday. My birthday is Thursday, November the 16th. And yeah, I'm excited, Sorors. I'm just excited to live and see another year. I do have some health things going on, but God is still good and He's still in control. I have to have surgery on December the 6th, so please keep me in your prayers. And I will look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. Talk to you later, Sorors. Bye. And I'm out.